Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the universal 7-inch car radio multimedia video player wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto touchscreen Sun Visor 5300. This product is a game changer when it comes to in-car entertainment and connectivity, and I can't wait to share all the amazing features with you. First of all, let's talk about the universal compatibility of this car radio multimedia video player. It is compatible with both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, making it incredibly easy to connect your phone to your car's audio system. This means that you can enjoy all your favorite apps, music, and navigation right on the large 7-inch touchscreen without any hassle. Speaking of the touchscreen, the display size of 7 inches and a resolution of 1024*600 makes it one of the easiest and most user-friendly interfaces out there. Controlling your music and videos is a breeze, and the high resolution ensures that everything looks sharp and clear, even from a distance. The best part? This car monitor is designed to be placed on the dashboard, making it easy to see and use while driving. Plus, the hardware, plastic, and electronic components ensure that it is durable, long-lasting, and easy to install compared to traditional car audio systems. And if that wasn't enough, the wireless connectivity options for this car monitor make it easy to connect to your phone or other devices without the need for cables or wires. Installation is a breeze, and you can do it all on your own without the need for an electronics technician. With features like screen rotation, support for reversing camera, video playback, built-in speaker, and a wide range of language options, the universal 7-inch car radio multimedia video player wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto touchscreen Sun Visor 5300 is truly a must-have for any car enthusiast. This product is a total game changer when it comes to in-car entertainment and connectivity. It's versatile, easy to use, and packed with features that will take your driving experience to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the universal 7-inch car radio multimedia video player wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto touchscreen Sun Visor 5300 today. Trust me, you won't regret it.